Raptors. Flesh-eating birds. Birds of prey, or raptors, include species of bird that primarily hunt and feed on vertebrates that are large relative to the hunter. Additionally, they have keen eyesight for detecting food at a distance or during flight, strong feet equipped with talons for grasping or killing prey, and powerful, curved beaks for tearing flesh. Most birds catch prey with their bills, but raptors catch them with their feet. Hawking is a feeding strategy in birds involving catching flying insects in the air. The term hawking comes from the similarity of this behavior to the way hawks take prey in flight, although, whereas raptors may catch prey with their feet, hawking is the behavior of catching insects in the bill. Unlike other birds, raptors catch prey with their feet. So raptors catch prey with their feet, not their bills. However, 1,400 years ago this was portrayed in the Quran.
حنفاء لله غير مشركين به ومن يشرك بالله فكأنما خر من السماء فتخطفه الطير أو تهوي به الريح في مكان سحيق.
Quran 22:31, being true to Allah, without associating anything with Him. Whoever associates anything with Allah, it is as though he has fallen from the sky, and was snatched by the birds, or was taken down by the wind to a deep place. Was snatched by the birds. Since those birds attack humans, then definitely these are flesh-eating raptors. Moreover, the Quran says humans are snatched, not eaten, in midair. If those birds snatch humans without eating them in midair, then this means they use their feet. Today we know that raptors catch prey with their feet, not their bills. How could an illiterate man who lived 1,400 years ago have known that raptors catch prey with their feet?